together we had provided more than 2,400 scholarships for doctors and healthcare providers from 52 countries in more than 42 medical, underserved and critical specialties. It's a huge number. It's actually many of them became the first specialists in their fields, in their countries. It's really amazing program. And these scholarships has actually transformed the patient care landscape in the public sectors in all these countries. Because in many countries, like for example, Burundi and Liberia and Sierra Leone and Gambia, we have provided the training for the first specialists.
For the past 13 years, all our programs have reflected our mission, that is to build and advance healthcare capacity, transform the patient care landscape, break the stigma of infertility, empower women, and support girls' education across the continent and beyond. Working closely with First Ladies and other partners, including Ministers of Health, Ministers of Education and Gender Affairs, medical societies, media and art, representing their sovereignty, providing sustainable solutions, and genuinely investing in people and their social and health development. This has made Merck Foundation one of the most trusted and respected foundations in Africa, and we are truly proud of this.
Whose dedication to driving health and social transformation in Africa, under the leadership of its chairman, Professor Frank, and CEO, Rasha Kelej, is truly remarkable. Together, you are working remarkably to strengthen healthcare systems and expand access to essential services. Your joint efforts in providing medical care, training healthcare professionals, and leading awareness campaigns on infertility as ambassadors of Merck, More Than a Mother, and other often misunderstood issues are highly commendable. Your partnership in equipping doctors, nurses, and community health workers with the knowledge, tools, and training they need to save lives. This initiative has become even more valuable following the outbreak of COVID-19. When we invest in the skills of our health workers, we are effectively investing in the future of our communities. Trained and motivated health professionals are the backbone of every strong health system.
The chance for every individual to live a full, productive, and dignified life. This is why strategic partners like the one we share with the Merck Foundation are so crucial. Our collaboration has played a pivotal role in advancing the healthcare in the Gambia and across Africa. Today, we have made strides in empowering health professionals through specialized training, ensuring they are better equipped to deliver quality care to those who need it most. About 100 Gambian doctors have been provided scholarships over the years to strengthen our public healthcare sector and building a stronger medical workforce for the future.
Excellences, Première Dame, Mesdames et Messieurs, distingués invités, avec la Fondation Merck, nous avons contribué à l'amélioration du système de santé publique au Burundi en offrant 55 bourses aux jeunes médecins burundais dans les spécialités médicales critiques telles que oncologie, diabète, embryologie, fertilité, santé de la reproduction, médecine aiguë, médecine respiratoire, endocrinologie, médecine cardiovasculaire, préventive et plus encore.
Très chères sœurs, premières dames, distinguées personnalités, mesdames et messieurs, qu'il me soit permis de rappeler que depuis 2016, en tant qu'ambassadrice de la Fondation Merck plus qu'une mère, la Fondation Cri de cœur d'une mère que je dirige a mis en œuvre dans mon pays plusieurs programmes ambitieux et je puis vous rassurer que je suis la toute première ambassadrice de ce mouvement si important.
To Dr. Rasha, the visionary fire starter, and Prof. Frank, the steady lighthouse of wisdom. Thank you for birthing this global platform. The Merck Foundation surpasses a foundation, really. It is a fountain of transformation across our beloved continent. It is a movement. It is a mission. I must sincerely admit that you have worked with us assiduously into ministries, hospitals, communities, schools, and the silent corners where stigma hides. In Liberia, the Merck Foundation's impact is visible and revolutionary. One, in the past, 52 Liberian doctors have received Merck Foundation scholarships in critically underdeserved fields.
Senhoras e senhores, juntei-me à Fundação Merck em 2023 e tive a oportunidade de conhecer os seus programas em detalhes com a minha irmã, doutora Rasha Kelej. Logo, começamos a implementar muitos desses programas no meu país e que me fez perceber que eles trazem benefícios tangíveis et significatifs.
Comme vous le savez tous, des médecins qualifiés et dévoués constituent l'épine dorsale d'un système de santé de toute nation. C'est pourquoi, ensemble, nous avons immédiatement œuvré à renforcer nos capacités en matière de soins de santé.
I think today it will be even more focused on the separate work the excellencies are doing in their respective countries.
It will be a huge platform and exchange of our knowledge and experience, and we meet, and it will be very, very high end. Of course, I would like to invite all of you to share your experience, and I will also share what we have done from the meeting in June till today in each country, and of course in total sum as well what we have done from the start of the partnership with the country. After we finish, I would like to invite you to watch a new animation film we created to raise awareness about cancer childhood. Children cancer. It's called Ray of Hope, and I will ask you to join us to cut the ribbon of this animation movie and storybook that we are going to send to your countries to distribute also on children and young people to raise awareness about cancer, which is very, very, very critical and important, especially for children, because it's curable. Cancer is curable, so it is preventable, curable, so we need to have awareness about it.
What began as a partnership with Merck Foundation has transformed into a meaningful and enduring friendship, a bond built on trust, shared values, and a common vision for a better future. Today, we have worked on critical initiatives, setting up health systems, promoting health education, and training journalists to become informed and responsible voices in our communities. Looking ahead, we hope to reinforce this partnership further, to work hand in hand on shared causes.
Together, we provided 94 scholarships to doctors and healthcare providers. Many of them became the first specialists in their fields, and this is really amazing. In addition to the annual 40 scholarships for girls, and this is a great achievement.
La Fondation Merck a formé un médecin en oncologie gynécologique, 4 médecins en diabétologie et concernant l'éducation Linda, elle a donné 40 bourses pour 40 filles vulnérables mais intelligentes.
The benefit that the scholarships, which is in total 5 scholarships provided for doctors in Central African Republic, has added value to the healthcare sector in Central African Republic. With your help and support, I know you pushed a lot to get this training done, and you're still pushing to get people who are interested to travel for training.
Excellences, mes chères sœurs, premières dames, chère Rasha Kelej, professeur Frank, pour ma part, les sujets que je défends sont la formation, l'éducation des jeunes filles et l'autonomisation des femmes.
The First Lady of Senegal, Madame Marie Khone Faye, for this video and the report and the fast start of our activities and initiative together, since we just met in June, but we've done great things and a lot of things, like the 40 scholarships for educating Linda for the girls, and also the 29 scholarships for doctors, and this is a great achievement, and we will continue.
Et avec la Fondation Merck, il m'a beaucoup aidé, parce que nous, on a des programmes qu'on vient d'installer à Saint-Thomé avec la force de Dr. Rasha, c'est l'éducation, et pour les médecins. Pour les médecins, ça va un peu doucement parce que les gens, vous savez que Saint-Thomé c'est une île et les gens ils n'aiment pas beaucoup bouger parce qu'ils demandent beaucoup. Le problème aussi c'est la langue parce qu'ils parlent que le portugais, pas le français ni anglais.
I'm so happy that we have the 5 scholarships for doctors finally, so everything on track.
And I'm also glad that we, through the Renewed Hope initiative and Merck Foundation, which started last year, but is already yielding impactful results that reflects on a shared vision for a healthier, better educated, and more empowered Africa.
In total, we have 82 scholarships provided to doctors.
I return home deeply inspired by your words and your work. And I got to work, not with speeches, but with service.
And of course, working together with you and your office, we have provided 52 scholarships to doctors, 52 scholarships to doctors, and 40 scholarships for girls' education.
Aussi, sans trop tarder, je vais vous présenter le résumé des réalisations de ma fondation à notre pays, baptisé le pays du lait et du miel.
Excellency, the First Lady of Burundi and Ambassador of Merck Foundation, more than a mother, for the great achievement that you have done, especially establishing the first IVF and fertility center in the East Africa in the public sector, which is amazing, achievement. Of course, in our collaboration to provide scholarships for fertility specialists and embryologists for almost 16 doctors and embryologists, which is all of them will be working, and they are working now in your center. And in total, we provided 55 scholarships for doctors in Burundi in partnership with the First Lady of Burundi yourself. For educating Linda, we provided together 50 scholarships for girls until they finish their education.